What have we got here, Dom?
This is the XK Y20. This is how it comes out of the box, and you get the battery, you get the flight battery, you get the transmitter, you get the recharge, a USB charger for the flight battery, you get a screwdriver, you get a couple of spare propellers. So you get pretty much everything except for the 4 AA's that you need to put in the transmitter. Now, I have flown this before, and the feedback was that it looked as if it was tail heavy. So I've put a penny in the nose. Just did a little cut with a scalpel and pushed it in to see if that improves the flight characteristics. So we shall fly it and see. He needs to go and put some AA's in his transmitter. Alright, here we go. A130. With a bit of weight in the nose. Well, to be honest, I can already tell that's a lot better. That's great. Oh. That wasn't intentional. Decapitate the cameraman. Decapitate the cameraman. There. Oh. And that's about as bad as a crash is going to get, and it's made of this EPO foam, the type of stuff they have in bumpers, in car bumpers, so it's going to be almost impossible to break this, and with the propellers pushing it along, you're very unlikely to damage the propellers either. Oh my god.
Oh, I was waiting for that to hit my kneecap.
Chuck. Jason, you go. Handing over the sticks to Jason. Oh, let me just turn that. There you go, got it. Again, it will fly for about half an hour. You'll get bored before it runs out of battery. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how. They must be super efficient, those little motors.
This one goes better faster, doesn't it?
It goes faster? Oh, it's more stable when it's faster.
It turns better faster, this one. Look how tight
Oh,
that is.
yeah. A bit more agile.
Much tighter turns better. Really pull that on.
Well, The Airbus A380 we were flying earlier is the A120 and this is the A130, so I wonder if they've tuned it.
Look how much tighter that is.
Yeah, they've tuned it a little bit, haven't they? Maybe they realised on the A120 it didn't have quite enough differential thrust.
Dom's catch.
Dom's catch.
I'll bring it straight in at you. Oh, I can't turn. I need power to turn, don't I?
You're gliding in. You thought you had aileron. Oh! Oh, what was that? Try it. Come.
It's easier if I come straight at you.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that was a bad catch.
That's the pilot.
One more time.
One more time. So I'll launch you that way and come around that way.
Yeah.
Up, up, up. Yes. God. Terrible catch technique, but I didn't drop it. I didn't play cricket at school. It was terrible. There you go. So that's the A130, the XK A130. Look for the link in the video description for the price. Thanks for watching this one. See you next time.